everyone, this is Katrina and Ronald of Planet Wellness. We are here today attending the International Food Exhibition here in Excel in London. And we are here at a booth which is called the Royal Greenland UK. And here's Ronald and here's Andrew, the sales manager. Hello. Andrew, would you like to share a bit about your foods?
Yeah, well,
Royal Greenland.
Yeah.
Well, Royal Greenland's a very old company. We're actually celebrating our 250th year this year. So we've been around since 1774. We're actually owned by the government of Greenland. So all the money that we generate around the world goes back to the government to invest in the infrastructure of the country. So it helps build roads and hospitals and schools and things like that. So we're a government-owned business. We fish everything in the North Atlantic, so off the west coast of Greenland and the east coast of Canada, mainly around Newfoundland area. And the main species that we fish for are cold water prawns. There's lobster, there's snow crab, there's halibut, and there's cod. So everything is North Atlantic, and we've been presenting at the IFE for a number of times now. I think it's our third time. So it's been really good. We've met lots of new customers, existing customers, and we've been able to showcase what you see in front of you now, sampling up some of our crispy breaded prawns, our snow crab, and our wild caught North Atlantic prawns. I hope you enjoy them.
Sure. So
we're going to get some new subscribers because of this.
So remember to like this video you're watching. Give us a like, and Ronald now is about to sample some of the delicacies.
Some of the delicacies.
So
we'll let you know.
The snow crab first.
And remember to subscribe to the channel.
Yes. Okay.
Got to get that in.
You've got to get that in. We're going to try that.
We're waiting for Ronald
So where's your? I'm going to try the snow one. Is that snow, right?
That's the snow crab.
That's from the fingers. Or the claws.
So snow crab comes in clusters. So all of the meat is really within the legs, and then you have a claw within there, and you have to crack the shell, and you can extract the leg meat all in one piece. And what you find is it's quite a sweet, salty, umami kind of flavour. Beautiful texture. Great in sashimi. Fantastic application. You can eat it hot or cold. And super great for you from a nutritional point of view.
25 years ago, I was in a place called Robe, which is the Adelaide is here, Adelaide and this Melbourne, in between, right? So on the way to Melbourne, it's halfway. It's a fishing port, right? And my kids were young then, and I went down to the port where the lobsters, crayfish were coming in. And the guy sold me a crayfish. It was like a foot and a half, like that.
Can you eat all that in one go?
$10.
Really? Be a bit more than that now.
More?
Many years ago.
More than that. It's in Tasmania, where the main crayfish area is in that part of the world. The same size crayfish like that. 400 pounds now. The guy told me, he said normally like he'd sell one crayfish for 100 pounds a few years back. So one family would buy that. Now they've got 4 families to get one crayfish. Ridiculous.
Crazy.
But
so what do you think?
Really nice. You could fight. You could taste it.
So they're single frozen cold water prawns that have been caught by a local boat, so a local independent fisherman, where they have a small quota, and we make a commitment to take everything that they catch off their landing. So they're basically cooked and peeled, ready to eat, beautifully sweet, soft texture. You get warm water prawns, like king prawns from the southern hemisphere. Tend to be a firmer texture and not so much of a flavour that goes with them. So that's your kind of ideal prawn for prawn cocktail,
it's got a certain flavour,
salad, sandwich, sort of thing. But the king prawns, you cook them, do paella and curries and things like that.
Lovely.
And then that's that prawn, but with a crispy coated breadcrumb. So what you coated prawn is not a new thing, but there are always the vanamai, which is the king prawns from the southern hemisphere. So what we've been able to do and bring first to market is the wild caught North Atlantic prawn in a crispy coating. It will actually give you more of a prawn flavour when you eat it. So it's much softer, less chewy texture. So you'll probably, hopefully, you'll see that.
We'll try that, eh? Yeah, I can feel the crust.
Yeah, yeah. So that's a product that we want to launch in the UK around
Right.
about September this year
So-
into
so
pubs
you-
and restaurants, but also as a retail product into the supermarkets.
You heard of Gordon Ramsay?
I don't know who's a yeah.
I'll tell you why I asked that. The book we wrote on diabetes,
Mhm.
Gordon Ramsay launched his book
Yeah.
on the same day,
Right.
and the Erie Bikers launched their book.
Right.
We launched our book, and our book beat them
No.
at #1 position. We've actually got the right to put Amazon #1 on our book.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not bad going, is it?
But I spent 3 years researching, worked with her. She wrote over 3 months,
Yeah, yeah.
341 pages.
Well, I wouldn't mind being a tenor behind Gordon Ramsay at the end of the day.
Oh,
He's,
gosh.
he's done very well for
He's
himself.
bloody, he's doing all right.
Yeah.
You know, one of the shows I've watched him, I didn't realise that that's called Hell's Kitchen or something.
Yeah, yeah.
He's got this massive truck
Yeah, yeah.
with all
They
with
go
all
around
this
all
work.
these
Yeah,
restaurants
Americans,
in the States
yeah,
and
yeah.
renovate them,
Yeah.
get them back on
Overnight.
track. And it's a fantastic TV show.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, really good entertainment.
And he's incredibly talented.
Yeah, it's a fantastic show.
He's very
He
capable.
had classical French training as well. So
Yeah.
he knows his stuff.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's
Yeah.
Ronald there trying the snow crab and the freshwater prawns
Yeah.
from
I want to do the crust.
a company called Royal Greenland UK.
Mm.
Here is their stand there and the amazing
Yeah.
chefs that have
We're gonna get
food.
food.
Say hi.
We got
I don't know, maybe I need to talk to my agent
We
about
have
my
enjoyed
fee.
ourselves.
we
We're
got
gonna be
86,000 views.
checking out
Yeah.
more
In 3 years.
stands as
I
we go
couldn't believe it.
along,
What do you think about
and
that then?
we'll share
Very,
our journey.
I like the shop one
So
there.
in the meantime,
Yeah.
on uptick to us.
Let me take that for you.
Thank you very much.
We
Okay.
look forward
You're very
to
welcome.
getting a like on this
Right.
video
Thank
and
you.
also
Thank
your
you.
comments.
So,
Take care.
do you have
Bye.
any